Understanding Restoration Efforts, a guide to revival and repair. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that you might come across in news articles, documentaries, or discussions about the environment and cultural heritage. We're talking about restoration efforts. This phrase might seem complex at first, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together, so you can understand it fully and use it confidently in your conversations. Restoration efforts refers to the actions taken to return something to its original condition or to bring it back to life after it has been damaged, degraded, or destroyed. These efforts can be applied to various areas, including environmental conservation, art, buildings, and even ecosystems. The key idea here is repairing and rejuvenating something valuable. To help you understand this concept better, let's look at some examples. Environmental restoration. This involves projects like replanting trees in deforested areas, cleaning up polluted rivers, or reintroducing species to habitats from which they have disappeared. Art and cultural heritage. In this context, restoration efforts might include cleaning a centuries-old painting, repairing damaged historical monuments, or digitizing ancient manuscripts to preserve them for future generations. Urban and historical buildings. Restoring old buildings to preserve their historical value or to make them safe and usable again is another example of restoration efforts. Restoration efforts are crucial for several reasons. They help in preserving our planet and cultural heritage for future generations. By restoring natural habitats, we support biodiversity and combat the effects of climate change. In terms of cultural heritage, these efforts ensure that future generations can learn from and appreciate the art, architecture, and traditions of the past. Additionally, restoration can also have economic benefits, such as boosting tourism and creating jobs. And that wraps up our exploration of restoration efforts. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and broad application of this concept. Restoration is all about bringing something back to its former glory, whether it's a forest, a painting, or an ancient building. It's a testament to our respect for nature and our history. Remember, every small effort counts towards making a big difference. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. See you in our next video.